Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a 2022 Adam 2-horse straight load Julite. This trailer is like new. Other than it being titled, it is brand new. It has had no horses in it. It is immaculate. So if you're looking for a practically new, super nice Adam bumper pull, here is your option. It is charcoal in color. It does have the gravel guard across the front of the nose. It is the pointed or angled aerodynamic nose on the bumper pull. It has 2 full escape doors on both sides. It does have running boards. It has sliders on those 2 escape doors, slider windows. It does have sliders on the rear. It has Dutch doors with windows in them. It is a rear ramp. It does have a pressure treated wood floor, mats, and it is all aluminum. Again, this trailer is like new. I mean, I cannot fault it for anything. Can't complain about it. I can't nitpick it. Walls are insulated, roof is not. It does have roof vents. Padding on both sides of the divider on the wall. All the bars have the covers with the padding. It does have the removable head divider, so it does have that. Again, this trailer is like new, pretty much brand new. It's got the extruded sides, that's the ribbed aluminum on the back side of the trailer to protect, and it makes it stronger. It's got tie ring on either side. Again, 2 full escape doors. Does have the running board step into the dressing room. Dressing room is matted. It does have 2 saddle racks, a window in the dressing room, spare tire, as well as a window into the horse box that does open for airflow, bridle hooks. All right, so guys, 2022 Julite, all aluminum, 2-horse straight load bumper pull. Width, I'm not gonna have that on me right now. Height is 7'6", so it is 7'6". I can do one thing. I can kind of, I know y'all really don't want to do this with me, but I was going to try to get the width. I'm not going to be able to do that on my own right this moment. But I will get that for you. That will be in the ad. Looking at it right now, I'm going to say 6'6", 6'7". I'm guessing. Okay, totally guessing. But it's definitely 7'6" tall. It's definitely all aluminum. It definitely has a pressure treated wood floor. It's definitely in excellent condition. It's definitely a nice trailer. I know all those things. So it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales. We greatly appreciate you watching our YouTube. If you have any questions, 828-773-4500 is the best way is to text me. Have a great day.